Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Bella.
Today, we're learning phrases fluent speakers use to sound natural and clear.
Textbook English can be correct, but everyday English often sounds shorter and more relaxed.
Let's start with 7 natural phrases you can practice right away.
I'm just checking in.
Can you bring me up to speed?
You lost me at the end.
Can you break it down for me?
What makes you say that?
I don't want to hold you up.
Thanks for the heads up.
Now, let's hear how these phrases work in a natural conversation.
If you contact someone for a quick update, I'm just checking in. Sounds easy.
It feels warmer than saying, I am contacting you to see how things are going.
At work, bring me up to speed is perfect when you missed something.
You are asking for what has happened so far, without sounding formal.
If the ending gets confusing, you lost me at the end is very natural.
It is much lighter than giving a long explanation about not understanding.
And when the whole idea feels complicated, ask someone to break it down.
That means explain it in simpler parts, so it is easier to follow.
What makes you say that is useful when you want someone's reason.
It sounds curious and conversational, rather than challenging them too directly.
Then there is, I don't want to hold you up, when someone is busy.
You are showing respect for their time, without making the moment awkward.
And thanks for the heads up is perfect when someone warns you in advance.
It sounds much more natural than a formal thank you for telling you beforehand.
These phrases work because they fit common moments people deal with every day.
They are short, but they still carry the full meaning.
That is often what makes fluent speech sound relaxed and effortless.
You do not need bigger words. You need phrases that fit the situation.
Once these expressions feel familiar, they become much easier to use naturally.
Let's practice 8 more phrases before we continue the conversation.
I dropped the ball.
That slipped through the cracks.
I got sidetracked.
It's on my radar.
It's coming along.
It's still a work in progress.
Let's park this for now.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Now, let's return to the conversation and explore those 8 expressions.
If you forget something important, I dropped the ball. Takes responsibility quickly.
It is stronger and more natural than simply saying you forgot.
When a problem gets missed, you can say it slipped through the cracks.
That often happens when everyone assumes someone else is handling it.
And I got sidetracked explains how another task pulled your attention away.
One email can turn into 20 minutes of doing something completely different.
It's on my radar tells people you haven't forgotten about something.
If work is slowly improving, it's coming along sounds positive without exaggerating.
For something unfinished, it's still a work in progress, is honest and natural.
Sometimes a discussion needs to pause, so let's park this for now. Works well.
It means you will return to it later, rather than dropping it completely.
And let's not get ahead of ourselves. Keeps people from planning too far ahead.
These expressions help you sound natural while keeping your meaning clear and practical.
Great work today!
You do not need to memorize every sentence.
Listen again and notice which phrases feel useful to you.
Say them out loud and let the natural wording become familiar.
See you in the next lesson.